right, we are just placing our sausage patties along our bundt pan. Perfect. Next thing we're adding to our bundt pan is our peppers and onions. And this is the frozen kind. You can do fresh if you prefer, but I just wanted this to be super easy. And we're doing a nice little layer right in our sausage. We're using about half of the bag because we don't want to overfill it because we have some other delicious things we're adding to this breakfast. Perfect, look at those colors. Now, no breakfast is complete without some cheese. I'm using the triple cheddar Tillamook, and we're gonna put a nice little layer, just like we did with the veggies, right into our bundt pan. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so tasty. I love breakfast sausage, I love bell peppers, I love onion, and I love cheese. Last but not least, we got 8 eggs, and these are gonna go right in our bundt pan with all of those yummy ingredients. Now you can scramble your eggs, but this is how my family like it, so this is how I'm doing it. But I am gonna season my eggs. I have some ground paprika, so add some great color and flavor. Ooh, spicy. Okay, and then we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Yes, it is gonna be a little salt heavy with that sausage, but it's really gonna taste amazing, so you should add the salt. And with salt, you always gotta do some pepper. You can use whatever seasonings you like. And I'm just gonna use my favorite, my classics. You guys know what's coming next. Some garlic powder. What is a Justine Cameron dish without garlic? Perfect. And last but not least, onion powder. That garlic powder smells amazing. Okay, beautiful. This next step is optional, but I'm just gonna go ahead and break my yolks because I don't like a full yolk in my breakfast. But if you do, then you can keep it. And like I also said, you can scramble these eggs. But I think breaking the yolk allows that seasoning to kind of just get into that egg a little bit better. And then you don't just have this big yellow thing in your breakfast. And some of that yolk can seep down to the onions and the cheese. But that is it, you guys. This is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna bake for about an hour in the oven. All right, you guys, we took this out. I did run a knife on the edges to ensure that it will pop out. It is time for the grand reveal. Ooh. Go ahead and flip this baby. Whew. Okay. Ooh, she's slippery and sliding. Oh my. She fell a little bit apart, but that's just because I forgot to grease the pan. So make sure you grease your pan. The next thing we're gonna add to this, make it a little bit more beautiful, some country gravy mix. I already pre-made this, and this is gonna go right on top. What's better than sausage and gravy? Oh yeah. I'm so ready to eat this. What's not to love? Sausage, gravy, eggs, bell peppers, onions, and cheese. Let's cut into this. Oh, look at that. Delicious. Oh my gosh. That looks so good. Time to give it a try. So good. You gotta try it.